Are you tired of constantly worrying about your health? Are you frequently scanning your body for any signs of pain, lumps, or other abnormalities? Welcome to my channel. My name is Claudia and I'm a CBT therapist. Today, I would like to talk to you about health anxiety and share with you 2 small things you can do to reduce your anxiety related to your health. We are all worried about our health from time to time, and it can actually be a good thing. Spotting early signs of any change in our bodies mean that we can go to the doctor, go through different tests and scans, which in turn can prevent serious medical problems and consequences. However, what can happen is that we go through all those tests and scans, and a doctor might not give us an explanation for our physical symptoms. So we keep going to other doctors, and we may constantly worry that they might have missed something. Health anxiety is characterized by constant worry about being ill or falling ill. It can have a significant impact on your life because you can constantly ask for reassurance. You can spend a lot of time researching medical information, or even avoid going out or physical activities. As mentioned before, you may never be satisfied with the outcome of various doctor's appointments. The problem is that anxiety can contribute to the development of various physical symptoms such as increased heart rate or headaches, which can give you further reasons to worry. Also, the more we seek reassurance from others and the more we keep scanning our body, the more convinced we become that something may not be right. Those sensations can become more intense as we're zooming into them, or we simply become more aware of them. You can try it yourself. If I invite you to focus on one of your fingertips for 5 minutes, try your hardest to notice every line, how it is structured. You may develop some physical sensations related to it, or you may notice things that you were not aware of before. One small thing you can do to worry less about your health is to gradually reduce the number of checks you complete every day and keep the record of them. For example, 62 checks on Monday, 55 checks on Tuesday, and so on. You can also observe how this reduction in the number of checks you complete every day impacts your anxiety, and you can use the scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is no anxiety and 10 is the worst anxiety possible. You can assign this rating to each number of checks you complete every day. Also, by being aware how many checks you complete every day, you can start challenging yourself whether checking something 50 times is more effective than doing it just twice, or is it simply maintaining your anxiety. The second thing you can do to worry less is to keep track of how many times you ask for reassurance every day, and again, we would like to see the reduction in this number every day consistently. You would also want to see how this reduction in the number of times you seek reassurance impacts your anxiety, and you can use the same rating as in the first exercise. Reassurance seeking can be one of the safety behaviors we use to make ourselves feel better in the short term, to get that instant relief from anxiety. But actually, the more we do that, the more we create anxiety for ourselves in the long run. Therapy and other resources can help you understand better the maintenance cycle of health anxiety and how to break it. It is highly probable that the improvement in your anxiety symptoms will also improve your physical health. But before you decide to go for therapy, what would be really useful is to get the clearance from the doctor, just once, that there is indeed no physical health condition underlying your physical symptoms. Most people with health anxiety have been multiple times to the doctors, but this is just a reminder that a therapist will not be able to answer any of your medical questions or examine you, so obtaining that clearance can mean that you can fully focus on your anxiety in the therapy room and that we're doing things in the right order. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more content like this, let me know in the comments and subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.